I walked through rain that never touched my skin, stood in the wind, but it blew me in. You spoke no words, but I heard you clear. Time folded twice when you appeared. My shoes forgot how to follow the ground. Your eyes bent light, turned it upside down. I held your hand, but felt the whole sky shift. Baby, I swear I never felt like this. No stars above, but everything shines. You don't chase me, you realign. I don't fall, I float, I drift in a love so strange. I never felt like this. The clocks all stopped, but the night moved on. You whispered silence, and my doubts were gone. I lost my name in your gentle abyss, where nothing is loud, but everything fits. There's no map here, no north, no line, but you touch my soul like you built the design. And I walk blind, but I don't miss, 'cause something deeper guides all of this. No sound at all, yet I hear you sing. No touch, no fire, still I feel everything. I don't fall, I float, I drift in your impossible love. I never felt like this. I once believed love had a face, but yours has no shape, just grace. And still